How to share any Excel document to email as PDF. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share any Excel document as PDF to any email. So all what you have to do is go to Excel. Now choose the document you want to share, and after you choose, go to the top and click on this little icon. Now wait a few seconds and choose the second option. It's share as attachment. Choose PDF and wait a few seconds, and here you go. Now click on email right here. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.